Have you ever wanted a pizza bought from a store that tastes like it just got delivered? I'm going to show you how to do that. I spent many years trying to make a pizza bought from a store taste just like it got delivered. It's actually even better, and I'm going to show you how to do that. This is Billy Tea Gardens Today. And before we get started, I'm going to ask you to go down and hit that subscribe. I've told you many times it don't cost you nothing, don't cost you a dime, but it helps me more than you know. And don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when my next video comes out. And don't forget to leave some comments. Let me know what you think about this video or any of my others. So, like I said, could have wore a different shirt, but oh well. Just got out of the shower, cut my hair, looks better, face looks better, feel better. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to make a pizza taste like it just come from a store. Now, there's nothing I can buy that I know of that I bring home and fix it just like it is. I have to doctor everything up. Are you one of them kind, or can you just take it and throw it in the oven? I just can't do that. I have to dress anything up. So I'm going to show you how to do this. And there's just one little secret to doing this. And I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, I have got my pizza. It's just a Great Value brand stuffed crust pizza combination. As you notice, there ain't hardly anything on it. There's you the trick to making this taste like it just got delivered. The trick to that is butter. As we know, butter makes everything taste better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to go over this. Just like so, all over it. I'm going to, don't soak it, but just, you want to butter it. Let me get this done here and I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I am back, and now that I had two hands, I got the buttering done. As you notice, I've got a good layer of butter on that. That is our trick right there, okay? So, I like some extra onion. This was a combination pizza, but, you know, I like extra onion, like so. And I'm going to put down a nice thin layer of mozzarella cheese, like so. Of course, I'm picky. I mean, you know, you can just throw it on here or whatever, but I don't know. I'm just not that kind of person, you know. So we got us a good layer of cheese. You know, if I grate it fine, of course, like so. A little bit more right there. A little right on the edge. Okay, now I think that's enough. We'll go with that. And then we're going to put our toppings back on. There was a few of these left, so I'll put them on there. Just a few of these peppers left, so, and there's a few left. They never put many toppings on these, do they, guys? Never put many on them. I like making my own pizza, but I just bought one this time, and we'll throw our pepperoni on here. I like a lot of pepperoni. Do you? Leave me something down there in the comments. Let me know, how do you like your pizza? Do you just like it with pepperoni and cheese, or a combination, or how do you like yours? Leave me something down there and let me know how you like yours. Okay. All right, I got that on. I'm going to put a few more pepperonis on, And I'm going to put it, we got our oven on about 425. We go between 400, 450, just depends on how thick your pizza is. We're going to go about 400. We're going to place this directly on the rack to get a good crispy crust. And we're going to go till, I don't know, till I think it's done, till I get it the way I want it. Probably, 15, 20 minutes. I don't know. I just check it about every 10 or 15 minutes till I get the top and the crust done the way I want it. So we're going to get all this on here. We're going to get it on our oven rack. And when it's done, show you guys what we got. Like I said, about 400, 450. We're going to time this and see what it takes. It just depends. So, 15 minutes or so or something. We'll see what happens. And when it's done, I'll be back and show you what we got. Okay, friends, fellers, dogs, cats, boys, girls, whoever out there. How did I tell you, when something's done in the oven? Right, you can smell it. Sitting on my couch, and I started being able to smell it. So, let's see if I'm right again. Let's check it out. Just like I said, we are finished. So, I'm going to take my pizza, put it on my cooling rack, and we're done. Remember my chocolate chip cookie pie that we made the other night? I didn't show you guys what it looked like, after it's cut. There's what it looks like. And oh my God, warm it up, put some ice cream or some Cool Whip or something on it. It's to die for, people. It is so good. Let me get this out of the oven and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, we're out of the oven. Show you what we got. Oh my Lord. Look at the butter floating on top of that. The crust is just perfectly brown. Perfect. Like I told you, it will taste just like you just got it delivered. Let me give you guys a little hack. Do you buy bottled water? Many people do. And it costs. So, what did I do? Well, I still buy water, but in a different sense. What did I do? Let me show you. Bought me one of them. Got it off Marketplace, about 50 bucks. It's just, it puts out hot and cold water. Tell you what, the neat thing is, instead of spending $5, $6 on a 24 pack of water, packing that heavy thing in, I fill these up at Walmart. It cost me about $2 to fill up 10 gallon of water. That's right. Once you get the bottles and stuff from Walmart, the Primo bottles, take them to the refill center, fill them up, about $1 each. So it's about 10 gallon of water for $2. Can't go wrong. And you save so much money. You're not packing in. Yeah, you got to pack in the big things here, but I think mine are 3 gallon. They're 80 cents a piece. It costs me to fill them up. They're 3 gallon. They're just a little bit lighter. You can get the bigger ones are like $1.25 or something to fill them up. So about 4 of them gets us through the month. So what, about $4, something like that? Actually, about $3.20 to get through the month on water. And you're not packing in the big cases and stuff, and just makes more sense. So you want to save yourself some money and quit, the little bottles, a trash can full of them. All you got is, taking these to Walmart and filling them up. If you're not renting them and getting your water that way, which I was, and it cost. So I went this way. I bought this for like 50 bucks off Marketplace. And say it puts out hot, cold water like and it's so much simpler. Want to save yourself some money? Try that. Makes so much more sense. So, I showed you guys how to take a frozen pizza and make it look like it just got delivered. And it works. Try it, you'll find out. Got one question for you, and this is political. What do you guys think about Mandami winning the New York mayor race? Our first socialist communist mayor. How's this going to work out? I don't think it's going to be so good. We'll see. What do you guys think? Leave me something in the comments. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Are you wondering what's going to happen? Does it worry you? Worries me. In Minnesota, that's a mess. Look, what we've got there. So this is all getting scary, folks. And we've got us Christians, we've got to band together and take care of ourselves and take care of this country we love so much. So, like I said, leave me something in the comments. Let me know what you think about all this. My pie and my other recipes, got something you want me to make? Leave it in the comments. I'd sure like to know what you guys think. But till next time, we'll see what we're going to get into, cooking, talking, whatever. We'll see where we go. I thank you guys so much. See you then. See ya.